In the last session of today, I'm just going to just discuss some trims and accessories used in apparel productions. So first you see, look into the what are the processes involving in the garment manufacturing. So merchandising department, this is the related to commercial aspect of the product. Sampling department, that is the development of the prototype samples for getting the orders, and this sample they are using by the merchandiser. And this is the fabric store department. This is the inventory of the industries, and this includes this purchasing and availability of the raw material as per the garments, trims and accessories store department. So at the parallel you will find also along with this fabric stores, this trims and accessories stores. And this trims and accessories just includes all the materials other than fabrics required for the production of the garments, like a swing thread, like a buttons, like a velcro, like a zipper, like a any packaging materials. So all the material other than fabrics all are called trims and accessories. Okay, other than fabrics. So then you come on the process spreading and technique cutting, ये तो हम अभी बताएं आपको swing department. So in this is the red, this red block which just indicate the here is the place where you use all these trims and accessories during the production of the garment. During production of the garment, this is the fabrication area, fabrication zone, swing zone. And in the swing zone, joining zone, you use this fabric just to came through the route of spreading, cutting and cutting department. But the trims used directly used in this area, in this section, in the process swing room operations, for just in order to produce the 3D garments with the desired comforts and with the desired uh, properties and quality of the garments. So here is the place where you just to complete all the garments. Now come on the washing department, when cleaning of the garment, shucking of the all the extra threads and etc. from the garments, and then dry cleaning, and then finishing. Suppose you are interested for the finishing, then you put finish. Then quality assurance department for the checking of the quality, and then this the finishing, packaging and packaging. So again, trims and accessories here use this finishing and packaging department. Maintenance, finance and accounts and HR. So all the trims that here is a scope for application of the all the trims and accessories. So there is a two stage. One is the swing room and another is the finishing and packaging department, where you just install or incorporate or attach all the trims and accessories as per your design and as per your quality of the garments. It's okay. So now come on the specific definition of the trims and garment. I am audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, and looking also the slides. Looking also the
Yes.
slides.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. So now come on the trims and accessories. To fulfill the design objective. To fulfill the design objective means selection of the trims and accessories, that is the part of your design. Not to go beyond the design. Design approved by your buyer or approved by your authority or management. So this all the trims and accessories are your part of your design. We need different kinds of materials. Fabric is the main raw materials used for the garment manufacturing. Usually other than fabric, the material are called making garments are called these trims and accessories. So trims, the raw material used in swing room other than fabrics are called the trims. Or the material directly attached with the fabric to make a garment are called trims. Means basic fundamental material required in order to make a full garment, complete garment, means garment, that is called trims. And accessories which are used to make a garment attractive and also for the packaging other than all. Also, you are looking the slides?
Yes, sir.
So the material which are used to make a garment attractive for the sale and also for the packaging other than fabrics and trims are called accessories. So is it clear the difference between trims and accessories? Trims is an integral part of the garments, and accessories are the supporting part of the garments. Either accessories are used for the packaging, used for the making garment more attractive for the purpose of decoration, But the purpose of decoration, that is a part, suppose the part of the design, then that called these trims. So trims, desired trims, required trims along with the fabric, that is the basic requirement of the garments. And accessories is other than these two things, fabric and trims. So trims, labels, we are using the labels for the size, for the origin, for the art, for the origin of the country, for the art, for the brand names, for the brand image, brand names, for the means how to use the garments during the washing, during the maintenance, during the refurbishing of the garments for the next use, button. So buttons and zippers and padding material, interlining material, down elastic thread, tool tip, stopper, string, draw cord, piping cord, logo print, swivel hook and eyelets and grommet and collar strap, cord belt, buckles, rebate, weaving belt and hook and eye, velcro tape and sealing tape and shoulder pad, and you all are experience of the shoulder pad. You feel a shoulder pad in the coat and also in the jacket, especially in the coat. And cable and adjuster, elastic, thread, shoulder, all these are tape. All these are all these are normally used as a trims in the garment. And accessories are poly bag, elastic bag, mini poly bag, master cartoon, inner cartoon, size clip, PP, tag pin, brass pin. So, whenever you purchase a garment from the market, you just to find so many things attached with the garment as accessories. Accessories. So all these are called this accessories. So this is the trims and accessories store department. This is the finished garments. Here you can see this is accessories trims. Button is the trims. Come on this function of the trims and accessories department to receive the incoming materials, to check the material for attributes and variables. I mean, what are the range of the size and other attributes and variables of the materials, and to arrange the incoming material in allocated racks. Means proper inventory is required, to issue the trims as per the BOM, bills of merchandising, bills of making. Merchandising, what are the means bills of merchandising means क्या क्या आपने commitment किया है buyer से in the product. So as per the bills, BOM, bills mean bills of merchandising for sampling and production and other material as per the requirement. To issue the trims means trims are not issued for the same for the all garments. That depends on the design, that depends on the buyer agreement. What type of trims to be used for this garment, what type of trims to be used for another garments. So this is called BOM. BOM means bills of the merchandiser. And third is next is that to maintain a record of incoming, outgoing materials. So here you can see the tape, here you can see the Velcro, here you can see the lashes, here you can see the button, here you can see the swing thread, here you can see the zipper. These are the trims and accessories. But here all these are the trims. So selection of trims. So what are the criteria on which depends selection of the material of the trims. So enhance the garment aesthetics and add value. Remain within the framework of the garment price. So that's why I am saying BOM. BOM decide the price. BOM decide the ingredients of the garments. And on the basis of the ingredients of the garment to be attached in the garment, that will decide the cost of the garment. So use of the streams that always be in the framework of the garment price. Next is process of trimming must not delay production. Due to the trim, due to the attachment, your lead time, suppose you are given a 15 days or 30 days and 45 days lead time for the consignment delivery, so always you follow, always you try to means ready the consignment within that period. And not the means lead time increases or going to delay due to the trimmings, attachment of the trimmings. And attachment of the trimming means procurement of the trimmings. So time required for the procurement. So must you procure all the trimming before going to start the production. So procurement of the trimming, that is a part of your production planning and control. And next is trims color and scale. Scale, color and scale, intensity of scale must complement the design and enhance the garment proportion. So now at time we are using the fashion studio, we are using the good designer, we develop the prototype samples for just means to show the garment buyers. So each and every part of the garment is defined. What would be the color of trim, what is the intensity scaling of the trim, what type of trim to be used. So all these things are already defined earlier before the going to start the productions. And these are decided as per the agreement or as per the business deals with your buyer. So trim should have the care instruction compatible with the fabric it decorates. So I would like to just to add the clarification about the quality of trim. That must be compatibility of the quality of trims must be matched with the compatibility of the fabrics in terms of the shade, in terms of the color bleeding, in terms of the shade variation, in terms of the life durability and abrasion resistance, peeling resistance, each and every technical means properties of the trim that must be matched with the technical detail of the fabrics. Almost try to make more compatible. So anyway, classification of trims and accessories. This is the functional and visible trims. Functional trims means directly given it. Zipper is the functional trims. Visible trims, decorative trims, swing room accessories means swing threads. Invisible trims हो सकता है कि वो trim दिखाई नहीं पड़ रहा हो, but that is invisibly means incorporated into the garments. Given a support either for the drape or either for the silhouettes or either for the properties of the garment that depends on the individual trims. अंदर में क्या लगा है, अंदर में आपने देखा होगा टी शर्ट्स में इन केस ऑफ दिस knitwear garments that there are so many tapes are given at the joining for the support in order to reduce any kind of slippage of the seam or in any kind of puckering of the seam or any kind of other defective seams caused or means developed during the stitching joining. So finishing and packaging accessories. So these are the broader classification of trims and accessories. So here you can see the closure. Closure means button is the button and hooks and lace and ties and this is snap buttons, velcro and zipper. All are the closures. So you are looking slides.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So all we are the customer. All we are means knowing all these closures used in the garments. All we have already faced the means interaction. We have all the interaction of all these closures. Either a button, hook and clip, lace and ties, and snap buttons. Velcro. Velcro is now becoming more popular for the elder garments, for the hospital wear garments, because there is no any button is required and there is no any zipper is required. Simply just to put one layer on the another layer. Velcro. आजकल फुटवेयर में भी यूज होता है, आपने देखा होगा वेलक्रो वेलक्रो. So velcro is a very good means option for the surgical garment for the elderly old peoples, because elderly old peoples is not able to just to insert the button or capable to handle these buttons. So zipper, everybody knows this zipper. Zipper is the very commonly used in the pant and used in the lower garments. So here you can see the buttons. What are the details of the buttons? Button का size क्या होगा, type क्या होगा, and what would be the materials? Button may be polymeric in nature, button may be from the wooden, button may be from the natural source. So this is the type of buttons. Size and type and material. There are three ingredients, variables of the button. Size. What would be the size? Here you can see the different sizes of the button. Type of the button means round, and here you can see the different type of the button, sunken button. And material, what type of material to be used for the metal button or polymeric button, natural button or button coming from the wooden source. So button materials, natural sources, and that is the animal derived and plant derived and rocks and minerals like a glass button, brass button, coal. And this is a synthetic source, that is the plastic, acrylic resin, bakelite, melamine, formaldehyde, etc., urea formaldehyde, and brass aluminum and aluminum, zinc. These are the alloy, metals or alloy. So normally metallurgy of the button is developed against the refurbishing process, keeping in view of the refurbishing process like a process of laundering, pressing, etc. Because they are having a, this material is having certain restrictions, this material is having this, animal is having the, हम जब उसको press करेंगे तो they are more not more resistance towards the heat and towards the washing, towards the chemical, towards the mechanical tumbling. We are tumbling given during the washing or given during the washing machines, either top loading or front loading, जो भी हो. So how your button face all the challenges you were supposed to given during the for this dry cleaning and dry cleaning of the material, dry cleaning of the product for the next use. So here you can see the types of button. This is the metal button. This is the wooden button. Wooden button. This is the polymeric button. Again, this is the polymeric button. This is the glass button. Again, this is the metal button. You can see also in the industries, they are having a tray, keeping a tray for the separation of the buttons, different type of buttons. During the attachment of the buttons. Juki and brother, they made a machine that is called button attaching machine. And at the very high speed, the operator, they attach to the stitch the button to the garments, in the garments. So to facilitating this to facilitating this separation of the buttons in just to keeping in the tray for separation on the basis of type of the button, size of the button, category of the button. Here you can see the number of holes. This is the 2 holes, this is the 4 holes. And accordingly, you have to just to change the parameter of the stitching on the button sewing machines. Suppose you are using the 4 button, accordingly you adjust the cam for the stitching. And suppose you are using the 2 holes, accordingly you set the setting of the machine, cam setting of the machine for the stitching. So button type, flat or sew through the buttons, button type, covered button, button is covered with the fabric. In order to match with the fabric. Button also the button just to show the same fabrics. So this is the requirement of the fashion. Now a time we also use this button, covered button, Mandarin buttons. This is a shank button. Here you see the shank buttons. Work for embellished. Embellished means just to put some logo and some diagram on the buttons. Embellished. Toggle button. बांधने वाला कुछ होता है, that is called toggle button. Tag button. This is like this.
Sir, what is Mandarin button?
Mandarin button is a special developed button. Normally, just you see the image of this Mandarin button. Here is the base part and here is the upper part. And it's just to having a loop of the thread and just to insert this button in the loop of the threads. Mandarin button. So here you come on this shank button. Shank button, you just to find it is the holeless button, contains 2 parts and attached by pressing. हमने देखा होगा जीन्स में normally for the imparting more strength we are using these shank buttons. There is the one is called the another 2 parts. Just to put and insert this one button over the another button. बच्चों के इसमें होता है जहाँ पे हमारा वेस्ट में ज़्यादा प्रेशर हो तो बच्चों के केस में बार बार उसका गारमेंट खुल ना जाए, पैंट गिर ना जाए. सो फॉर अदरवाइज बटन के होल से क्या होगा, बटन निकल जाता है during the pressure inserted by your body during the use of the pant, during the cycling, during the running, during any function. So in that case, the strength of this shank button that depends on the design and size of each and every part. This either call this male and female. So these 2 parts decided the strength, design, contour, and layout. Everything is contributed toward the strength of the buttons. So the instrument is also available in the apparel sector for just to measuring the strength of the button. How amount of the joining force is created by this button, 2 buttons, and that is in the range of the that is required for the garments. एक चिल्ड्रन वियर के लिए हम गारमेंट बना रहे हैं, अगर बटन को ज्यादा कर देंगे तो खुलेगा नहीं उससे. So what amount of the strength to be required as per the category of the garment? That is more important. And accordingly, you select the size and parameter of the shank buttons. So anyway, in our lab, I have also conducted one BTech project on this strength of the button. Anyway, this is the rivet. This fastening element contains again two parts and used for the decorative purposes and provide extra strength. Here using this rivet just for given a joint means strength all this part, all this part, all this part. Where the different type of forces, strains are continuously just to exerted and in this area. By the leg, by the movement, by the running. So here there are very complex means joining of the different components. So we are putting this for just imparting, improving the strength of this area by rivets. Come on, the very interested thing, that is the size of the button, and size of the buttons are measured by ligni, that is the unit. One ligni equal to 0.635 mm, or also call this 1/40 inch. So here you can see this the size. This is the 1.1 inch up to, that is equivalent to this 28 mm. Here again you can see. So on the basis of this one ligni means size of the button is measured and the unit is called ligni. Size of the small button, size of the medium button, that is the means more than 32, 35 mm, then called the medium button. Large button more than 60 and 70 mm size of the button, that is called the large button, medium button, and small buttons. So normally a small button will find in the shirts, this is in the pants, and the size of button you will find in the coat and jacket and like that, outer jacket. On this other classification of the button, on the basis of shape, on the basis of holes, on the basis of print, on the basis of, this is the decorative buttons. Decorative buttons. Having no any circular shape. Normally you will find in the kids, you will find in the fashionable garments. Shape, here you can see the shape of the button. Circular button is very popular. Number of holes, 2 holes and 4 holes are used. Threading of the button. So there are so many ways of the threading, means how you use the stitches for the attaching the button into the garments. That is called threading of the buttons. Cross, this is the cross. ऐसे ऐसे आपने इसको सिलाई कर दिया. This is the parallel. You just to run the seams, stitches in these two holes, and in these two holes there is no relation of the sewing thread, stitching thread in between these two holes. These two holes. This hole is having the separate threads, sewing threads. Here is the crossed. Here is the square. Here is the eagle claw. In all this, using the 4 holes. Here is also 4 hole, here is also 4 hole, here is also 4 hole, here is also 4. But these are the different methodology of putting this, attaching this button in the garments with the help of this button attaching machines.
Sir, among these 4, which one lasts more?
Which one lasts more means? Strength of the button, strength of the button. You were talking about the strength of the button.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The thread is not rebel.
Very obvious. This is the very obvious. This is the lesser having, and this is the stronger. This is the most stronger. This is the less stronger. And these two categories just to fall in between these two, because here is all the stitches are attached, inter-attached. So from the stitching pattern of stitching, you can easily means visualize the which one is the more stronger. And you can also test all the buttons with the help of any testing machines. But the condition is you are using the same swing thread. But you are using the same swing thread. Then you are able to assess the attachment, means swing attachment. Means this is the basically attachment, swing attachment, means a stitching of the button on the fabrics. And again, this depends on the machine, swing machines. Maybe your machine is not able to produce all this type of stitches, but by hand you can insert or put all these stitches. So come on, these buttonholes. So counterpart of the button is the buttonholes, and buttonholes is able to hold the buttons, and more perfectly and efficiently suppose hold the button, then the strength of the joining that will be closer, that will be the higher. So hole in fabric in respect of the size of the button, and contour and layout of the buttonholes, that also decided the strength provided by the buttons in a garments. The holes in fabric which allow buttons to pass through the raw edges of the buttonhole are usually finished with the stitching. This may be done either by the hand or by the sewing machines. So the sewing machine, the machine used in the industry, is called this buttonholing machine, and is made by the Juki, single chain button stitching machine. And in our lab also this machine, single chain button stitching machine, buttonholing machine. And in buttonholing machine there are two parts. One part is the blade for the cut the fabrics, and second part is just given at stitches on the open edge of the holes. So here you can see that the very interested things, that is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 types of holes can be produced. This is the patterns. This is the hole. This is the pattern of the stitching, and all the given a name of this decorative, and here is also, and so accordingly as per your garments, normally in the shirts you find the very simple buttonholes, like buttonholes like this, one or two category. This 4-1 type of 4-1. So this layout, this will decide in respect of the holes. This is the size of the holes in respect of the size of the button, that will decide the strength provided by this joining, provided by these closures in the garments. So classification of buttonholes, 4-step buttonholes. Step 1, sew one side, and step 2, bar track for the width, and sewing the other sides. So these are the normally stitching classification of how you produce this buttonholes with the help of machines, and on the basis of this stitching given on the buttonholes. Here you can see the snap buttons. This is the cap and socket. This is the stud and post. So simply you put in this hole. So this is the combination pair of the buttons. So this provides the holes and this provides the buttons. And with the combination of these two parts, the garment are getting the strength on the closures, on the openings. And this, the size category of the button also decide the doffing and donning time of the button. What is the doffing time? Anybody can tell me what is the doffing and donning time of the garments?
Sir, the time to put in and put out.
Yes, exactly. So the doffing and donning time should be very low and less for the soldiers, for the police professionals की जल्दी से उसको अगर कोई बेल बजा तो जल्दी से वो गारमेंट को पहन के चला जाए. And emergency peoples, the emergency services provided by the peoples. So doffing and donning time, that will also largely affected by the buttons type of closures. And we are the common people. Everybody knows this. In the case of the Velcro, there is very less time required for the joining. कई बार हम गारमेंट को पहनने के पहले उसको खोलने लगाने में ही टाइम लग जाता है. That will included in the time decided for the doffing and donning. Doffing and donning. So doffing and donning time is very, very significant for the professional dresses. Means functional dresses, functional garments. And this largely depends on the selection of the closures. Anyway, so come on the next, this snap. Here you can see the various snaps. You can see again the snap tray, button and a snap tray, a snap button tray. So come on the quality aspects of quality parameter for the buttons. Parameter and value, approval by merchant, content, design, functioning, mock approval, photo loading, rubbing color fastness, shade matching, size, type, washing color fastness. All these are the technical details given by your buyer. So what would be the quality parameter of the button? कल को आपने गारमेंट बहुत अच्छा बना लिया, बटन के कारण आपका बायर रिजेक्ट कर सकता है. So all the parameter of the button that is already decided before the means your commitment of the business, dealing of the business by your merchandiser. So anyway, these are the quality parameter for the buttons. This is another way of disclosure that is called the hook and eye. Hook and eye. So here in the pant you also see this hook and eye. This is also now what I am using the formal garments. Formal garment. This is the eye and this is the hook. Again you can see this is the eye and hook. Thread bar and eye and eyelets. So hook and eye closure is very simple and secure method of fastening garment parts. The hook and eye closure has a long history and is still used today. सबसे पहले शुरुआत इसी से हुआ था hook and eye. Now the hook and eye that way of closure is day by day replaced by this button. Button is a product, industrial product. And sometimes eyes hand stitches using yarns. So in light fabrics, in anyway, hook and bar or hook and loop. So here you can see this also another way of this hook and bar. This is the mechanical version of this initial concept of hook and eye. Here you can see hook and bar, clips and grommets and laces and ties. हम इसके थ्रू भी गारमेंट को क्लोज करते हैं थ्रू दिस लेसेस एंड टाइज विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस ग्रोमेट्स. हम दोनों तरफ लगा दिए हैं जस्ट टू यूज दिस लाइक जैसे शू में हम क्या करते हैं इन केस ऑफ शू फॉर्मल शू मेल फॉर्मल शू जूता का जो फीता है लाइक हुक है ना सॉरी लेसेस एंड ग्रोमेट्स एंड लेसेस एग्जांपल ऑफ दैट. So clips are available in metal and plastic, generally used for extension of straps, sometimes combined with the hooks. Grommets are of the metal, also called eyelets. Grommets are generally used for the passing laces through. They are used to strengthen the holes. Among the laces, draw cords and tapes and ties. Lace is a delicate fabric made of the yarns or thread in an open web-like patterns made by machine or by hand. So laces normally produced by this warp knitting methodology. Linen silk and आप देख सकते हैं all these are the example images of the all this cord draw cords and this is the tape and again this is the tape and again this is the tape. Tool tape and flat tool woven ribbon of the cotton, linen, polyester or wool. It may be used in sewing and tailoring to reinforce seams. Make casing and so all these are the different various means materials of this alternate materials for the closure used in the apparels, and this depends on the category of the garment either body fit garments. So not this material closure are used in the body fit garment. Always these closures are used for the like a coat, jacket and like a night suit or like a gowns and etc. Tool tape or canvas tape, herringbone tape. This is the weave type of weave to be used in the manufacturing of this tape. So quality parameter for the neck tapes, approval by the merchant, content, design, measurement, Velcro. So now come on the very significant disclosures, and now day by day these closures now to become a very popular. Now this time these are mostly using in the footwear also, and also sandals, and also in the garment, especially in the loose fit garments, and also also for the garment design for the elderly people, and also garment design for the children's. So here you can see this is the Velcro, this is the hook, and this is the loop. This is the loop and this is the hook. Sorry, this is the hook and this is the loop. Here you can see just to put this hook on these loops. Here you can see the hook. But the negative part of this type of Velcro is not preferred to install or incorporate in the knitwear garments. Because in the case of the knitwear garments, uh, each and every attachment is just this draw the fibers from this area, this location. And that will day by day, means a long time, that will destroy the structure of the fabrics. And in case of the knitwear garment, knitted structures, maybe there is easy means withdrawn or withdrawal of the yarns from the structure of the fabrics. So prefer to not use this Velcro in case of knitwear fabrics, but you can use in the non-woven based fabrics or you can use in the woven fabrics. So widely used in the woven fabrics. And in order to avoid, you can just to put some covering in this area. So anyway, Velcro now become a very means good closures for the elderly people, for the hospital people, for the loose garments, and also used in the apart from apparel, also used in this the footwear industries. So zipper. Now come on another important the trims used in the garment industry, that is the zipper. And initially, 10 or 20 year backs, all the buttons, we are using the buttons in the pant, lower garment. But now a time, all the buttons that is replaced by this zipper. Zipper. And now the zipper not only used in the lower garments, also used in the upper garments, in the jackets. In the high fashion garment to this jacket or this garments. So there are so many innovation in the zipper and quality of zipper and application of zipper. So garment type and fabric type selection criteria, zipper function, designer or the manufacturer preference, current fashion trends. So zipper is also used for the trend, for the decorative aspects of the garments, fashion aspect of the garments. So now common the zipper must be checked for the flowing means dimension, which should be correct of the tape. So top and bottom stops should be fastly secured and zipper tape should be uniform in color. कलर उसका इन्फॉर्म होना चाहिए एंड दैट ऑल्सो कंफर्टेबिलिटी हैविंग ए कंफर्टेबल विद द मेन बॉडी ऑफ द फैब्रिक्स जीपर शुड नॉट कॉज रिंकलिंग और पकड़िंग उस एरिया में वो जाके पकड़िंग क्रिएट ना करे गैदरिंग क्रिएट ना करे एंड सपोज दिस गैदरिंग क्रिएट होगा तो फैब्रिक और गारमेंट विल लुक अनसाइटी so aesthetic of the garment that will be goes to down decreases. So can a zipper be washed or dry clean? Will it fade? Fading नहीं होना चाहिए. Washing fastness of the zipper fabric, zipper fabric must be with the same as per the fabrics. पता चला कि गारमेंट ठीक है, गारमेंट का फैब्रिक ठीक है, जीपर ने कलर ब्लीड कर दिया है, उसका कलर निकल गया. So check force it required to pull open the zipper. How much strength required? How much force required to open the zipper? Again, there are some criteria, ASTM standard for the children wear garments. In case of the children wear garments, up to certain age, you cannot use this big zipper for the children wear garments. And suppose the age having the more than means that this zipper is not used for the toddler garments, children garments, and this type of attachment or closure is used for the means pre-adult, pre. So बच्चों के गारमेंट में this zipper is not going to use. And what amount of the force required for open the zipper? हम बैग में भी यूज करते हैं zipper. So every time we have an idea about the how to pull, what amount of the force is required to pull the zipper, to zipper tab. So avoiding zipper problem, improper size selection for the garment, slider directions, slider and chain combination, handling and processing zipper stored at the moderate temperature and humidity. So how the polymeric material of the zipper affect on the given impact on the quality of the garments. How these materials, polymeric materials, got changed during the washing or during the ironing and other treatment given to the garments. Chemical degradations, laundering and with harsh agents like a soap, effect of chemicals, effect of some chemicals, detergent, chemicals, washing machine, how it given an impact on the quality of the zipper. And sustainability and life of the zipper is also that should be matched with the life of the garments. That also decide the life of the garment, usability of the garment, serviceability of the garments. So always try to put a good quality of zipper, good quality of button in order to avoid the seizability of the use of the garments. Bad quality restricts the application of the garments, that reduces the life of the garments. So anyway, here you can see the buttons, zipper, detail of the zipper. Here is the top stop, then the bottom stop, and this is the elements, this is the teeth, and this is the tape of the fabric. And I have talked, this fabric must be matched with the fabric of just opening and closing the zipper. This is the crown tab, holder, this is the body, this is the pull tab. This is called pull tab. You are looking clearly the details of this mechanical details of the zipper. Are you looking this mechanical details of the zipper?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So this is called basically this is the technical detail of the zipper. This is the pull tab, and this pull tab is either means this is used for the opening and closing of the zippers. This is the insert pin. This is the insert pin. This is the insert pin. This is the box pin. So just to see the function of the zipper. दिखाई पड़ रहा है in the running mode. How the teeth of the zipper are joined. You are looking this running position of the zipper.
Yes, sir. It is visible.
So just to see. So anyway, is it clear the working principle of the zipper?
Yes, sir.
Now come on the technical details of the zipper and
Yes.
technical detail of the zippers, different sizes of the zipper 2, 3, 5, 8, 10, and that depends on the size of this size. Suppose this is a 5 mm, the size is called this 5 mm. This is a 2 mm, then call this 2 mm. So here you can just to see this number correspond to the distance between the elements. And on the basis of this distance, the size of the zipper is given. Is it clear?
Yes.
You can go the types of the zipper. This is a coil zipper. This is the Vislon zippers, metal zippers. These are different types of zippers. Please turn off your microphone during the presentation.
Yes. Yes, sir. Clear it is.
So it is clear?
Yes, yes.
Common the industrial classification of the zipper: conventional, decorative, invisible, separating, trouser, two-way or dual opening, and Vislon zippers. So आपका आजकल आपने बैग में देखा होगा दो बटन होते हैं, दोनों किसी तरफ से भी खुल जाते हैं. Like this. Please made me say. So here is the industrial classification. And industrial classification, that is based on the usage, that based on the requirement. The zipper is also used for in the bags, also used for this other than textiles, other than garments. Now also having application of zipper. So in the textile, in the textile also we are using the different type of zipper for the different at the different location of the garments, and in different category of the garment for getting the different objective of the purpose of the garments. Here you can see also types of function. Close in, open in, two-way, zipper with slider, zipper with double sliders. Here is a double slider. Here is a double slider. And again, this is the double slider, but head to head. And this is the, again, head to head. But here is the not two-way. Types of function. आगे चले.
Sir, what is the difference between the last three zippers which you have shown in the picture?
Last, there is a difference. Now here is the two-way separator. Two-way separator just to move this or in this. आपने देख रहा है ना, दोनों का जो डायरेक्शन है जस्ट अपोजिट है. आपको एक खोलेगा, एक बंद करेगा.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि you are find this such zipper also in the your bag, your जो भी आपने बैग देखा होगा सब में है. तो for getting the objective, getting the individual objective, a specific objective for your applications. Here you can see the quality parameter of the zippers. Again required for the approval from your merchant. आप जिसके लिए बेच रहे हैं उसका अप्रूवल चाहिए. कंटेंट, डिजाइन, फंक्शनिंग, मेजरमेंट, मॉक अप्रूवल, फोटो अपलोडिंग, रबर कलर फास्टनेस, शेड, मैचिंग, श्रिंकेज, साइज, स्ट्रेच, टाइप एंड वॉशिंग एंड कलर फास्टनेस. Or all these desired parameter or quality parameter for the zipper is mandatory. For going to install or use this zipper in your product. कल को zipper के कारण आपका fold consignment that will be rejected, and only on the basis of the quality of the zipper. So come on, this is the one part of these streams. This is the other streams: label, shaping materials, supporting material, decorative materials. I have already categorized this closure and this other streams, then accessories. So in the part of presentation, I am going to discuss these labels, care labels. So label, what are the things communicated by this label to the consumers? What type of material have been used in the making the garment? What is the fiber? What is the blend? Size of the garment. Labels means display or shows and communicated the size of the garment. Name of the manufacturer. Place of the manufacturer. Origin of the country, brands, how to care for the garments, how you go for the pressing, how you go for the maintenance, how you go for the dry cleaning, how you go for the washing. Other special instruction about it. उसको कहाँ सुखाना है, in dry, in shade or on machine. So आजकल there are larger technology, dry cleaning technology used in the industries. IIGM and so many Ramsons, they are making the series of laundering technology, washing technology, and all this technology now a time used in the AIIMS, All Indian AIIMS Medical Institute, जहाँ पे बड़े-बड़े hospitals हैं, for just dry cleaning and washing of all the hospital garments, and all this done by the machine, all this done by the laundering technology, all this done by the they are keeping the laundry manager. They are keeping this means BTech. They are keeping the BTech qualification for their laundering manager post. So anyway, so all the instruction of the garment, all this instruction of the garment to be used by the maintenance people, by the users, by the country कि हम कोई country में उसका what is the footprint of the of disposal of the garments. Garments on the earth, on the ecosystem, on the environment. So all the information you will find now a time that is mandatory given by the legislation of the law, legislation of the land, rules of the land. To put all information. What would be the means footprint for the means disposal? What would be the means effect on the environment? What would be the everything, every effect of the garments on the environment, on the society, and also on the human health. So all should be mandatory given in the details of the labels, instructions. So label include everything. In case of medical textiles, the labels means just to communicate the set of information related to medicals. In case of other textiles or other materials, the set of the information communicated by the labels, that is the different. But the labels is the part of integral part of the garments. And this is through labels we just got all the information about the quality, about the maintenance, about the dry cleaning and everything. So beautiful customized labels and to beauty and style of the garment each brand produced by. So a special logo भी होता है, आपने देखा होगा, having a logo of certain companies, company style and style of the logo, color of the logo, Monte Carlo, and every brand is having own logo. This is the label. Care levels, male level, size level, care level, integrated levels. So here you can see this is the label provided by the Diesel. Diesel is a multinational company. They made these informal garments, male informal garments. Here you can see the sizes of the labels: extra large, large, medium, small, and extra size. Extra small, very small, then a small, then medium, then large, and then extra large. This is the minimum size and this is the maximum size. Buyer name, brand name, contains garment size, provide information about washing, ironing, drying it, etc. All the information of the garments, including the disposal of the garments, sustainability of the garments. You can see the label. Composition, care code or sample, country of origin. You are going to just sell the product to the in the international market. कहाँ का बना हुआ है, उसके कोई health hazards है. अगर clinically established हो गया कि health hazards means health is any customer health of the customer is damaged or deteriorated during the use of the garments, so you are able to pay the compensation. So here you can see this is the logo. Normally this is for the washing, this is for the ironing, this is for the bleaching agent treatment, bleaching treatment. This is the like this all informations. Handle, wash or dry clean. All these are the means. This is the use for this ironing. This is the use for the bleaching, non-bleaching treatment. This is the use for the washing by hand or by machine. चले आगे. Have any questions?
Yes.
Here is the qualified parameter for the labels. Approval, again, content, design, functioning, measurement. Everything is required by you from your buyers. Type, oven है, non-oven है, washing color, fastness क्या है उसका? Because that is the part of the garment. Materials. So fabric material impart stability, strength and support or enhance and maintain the shape, the structure and body for the life of the garment, assure performance through the many wearing and cleaning. Shoulder pads. So normally you'll find the shoulder pads in all the good quality of coat, good quality of jacket. This is basically a molded foams. Sleeve headers, collar stay, shaping material. This is given a support for the garment during the function, during the use. So this is just to see the shoulder pad. This is the shoulder pad used in the coat. Support material, interfacing, interlining, linings, this affect the overall aesthetic appearance of the style. Basic function is to enhance and preserve the shape of the garment. आपने कभी देखा होगा क्रिश्चियन में जो शादी होती है तो जो बेडिंग जो होता है इतना बड़ा उसके होते हैं स्कर्ट्स के. So how they maintain? With the help of some support materials. Presence of this considered as a sign of the quality. Consumers, however, do not make purchase decision based on these components. So supporting materials, support materials that is required for maintaining the shape of the garment, that's required for maintaining the quality of garment, that's required for the providing the all the function of the garments during the use. Interlining. Extra layer of supporting fabric used in almost all structured garments and helps to give the body shape and reinforcement. Interlining, fusibles. So each and every garment will find the fusibles in the collars, in the handcuffs, and also along the line, along the axis of these buttons. बटन के नजदीक भी हम अंदर में उसमें बकरम बोलते हैं हिंदी में, बकरम दिए होते हैं. And that bukram, that is the called interlining, that is called fusibles. And these fusibles are essential for the, in order to keep the material in the particular shape forms, and also facilitating the function of the garments. So lining material, that is a lightweight fabric, is stitches into a garment to give the finished appearance to garment interiors. So lining material, this supporting lining material is used in, especially in the case of lightweight fabrics. This is elastic. So elastic is also, you will find the elastic in so many category of the garments, like undergarments, like any body fit garments. Likewise, the very popular range of the fibers used in these body fit garments. And now the denim, in the denim you will find the this lycra based denim fabrics. I have just conducted 2 or 3 MTech project on this development of this lycra based this denim fabrics. So anyway, elastomeric material to be used in this elastic materials used for the during the garments for the improving the function, improving the shape, improving the aesthetic, not aesthetic, improving the function and improving the fashion and aesthetic of the garments. Function of the garments. Degree of recovery depends on the structure of the elastomeric materials, fabrication of elastic materials, thickness and size and thickness, width and thickness, and application methods. Either with the help of stitching, or either with the help of pasting, or either with the help of braided elastic, woven elastic, knit elastics application. So here you can see this is the quality parameter for the elastics materials. Again, the quality must be approved by your buyers, by your merchant. In terms of all these parameters, content, design, measurement, rubbing, shading, shrinkage, size, stretch, all these parameters. Quality parameter of the material of the elastic to be used in your garments. Again, the quality parameter for the rivets and studs and tabs. Draw cord. What are the special attributes? Tip attributes. Stretch, structure, surface embellishment. So addition to garment whose sole purpose is to add a decorative appeal, this category of garment, this category includes appliques and embroidery and screen printing. So टाइम होने जा रहा है ज़्यादा, हम जल्दी बताएं आपको. So just embroidery trim formed by making thread patterns on the surface of the garment. Cost of embroidery could vary significantly based on the hand or machine. Type of thread and complexity of design also affect the cost. So now we are using the pen drive for the design. Just to put the pen drive in the machine, and the head of the machine, embroidery machine, automatically follow all the instructions, and accordingly they did all the work of this embroidery on the garments. So computer control embroidery done, so Escapli and machines is also popular, also called Hakoba. Cut work embroidery in India, screen printing, decorative details. Collar stray, here you can see the collar stray. Collar stray, this is the collar stray, and this collar stray is just to keep intact the collar of the garments. कॉलर स्टैंड, जब भी हम नया सा कोई ब्रांडेड लेते हैं तो उसके अंदर नीचे से निकलता है प्लास्टिक का, दैट इज द कॉलर स्टैंड. And this just restrict the any wrinkling and folding of the collars during the packing, during the transportation, during the delivery over the counter. Collar stand. Come on, the cartoon means cartoon of the for the use for the packaging. So here is the cartoons, hangers. These are the accessories. This is the shoelace, like a shoelace. Eyelet and drop cord. This is the size strip, size number. All these are the accessories. Pocket flasher, pocket के ऊपर लगाया होता है for communicating the image of the brands and also for easily identification for the back pocket. Hang tag. So I am not a person of garment technology, I am a person of textile technology, but I have tried to just to summarize and given some idea about the garment accessories. I am audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am not a perfect person of the apparel engineering, I am the person of the textile engineering. These are some collections. Price ticket with the bar, code bar. You can see this is the patch. Who can I? This is the patch. So you will find such type of this labels in the case of the denim fabrics, denim garments. This is the price tag. Polybag used in the for the garment packaging of the garments. Maybe blister form means there are two individual garment packaging and blister. Blister means in one packet you just to put 50 or 100 number of garments. Finishing accessories, buckles, photo inlay, this is the PP belt, hook and eye, tissue paper. So come on, I would like to just to add another section of this based on this packing accessories. Here you can see the packing accessories of the garments. So all the packing accessories of the garments. This is the tag, this is the cartoons for packaging, and this is the additional some accessories. This is the hanger also in case of the packaging of the coat, formal coat. Packaging accessories means wrapping, compressing, filling or creating of goods for the purpose of protection of goods and their convenient handling. Means transportation, either maybe cargo transportation, airlifting, जो भी हो. Packaging also refer to the process of design, evaluation and production of packages. Packaging can be described as a coordinated system of the preparing goods for the transport, warehouse, logistics, sale and end. So this is the part of supply chain management, SCM. So after final inspection and garment folding, the garments are fully packed. Dozen wise, color wise, size ratio wise, bundled and packed in the cartoon. And this cartoon is marked with the important information in printed in form, which is seen from outside the cartoon easily. And all the basic information about the product, about the means destination, all are given on the top or side of the cartoons. So what is the importance of this packaging, especially in the arena of the garment, especially in the case of the garments? For the physical protection from many mechanical shock, vibration, electrostatic discharge, compression, temperature during the warehousing storage, during the inventory, during the transportation, during the lifting, during the cargo shipment, any other mode of this means transportation may be used for your consignment. Barrier protection, information transmissions, marketing, security, convenience. So you can just read all the objective of the packaging. And that's why Government of India recently, 10 years back, Ministry of Commerce, they opened the institute, in the name of this Indian Institute of Packaging at Bombay. And now the center of that IIP, Indian Institute of Packaging, recently 3 or 4 years back, they also opened the one center at Delhi, Indian Institute of Packaging. अभी हम बाजार में जाते हैं, all the things are just to purchase in the form of packaged forms. So packaging done by textiles, packaging done for textiles, packaging done for all each and every category of the textiles. And textiles, jute fiber is also used for the packaging of the food grains. And also some use the jute fabrics or jute Asian cloth for this transportation of the other industrial products. So textile is also used for the packaging and material also used for the packaging of textiles. So anyway, here is the quality parameter for the polybag. Bill of materials. So bill of materials, BOM, means all technical details, cost details of the material, means in terms of trim and accessories used in the apparels. So bill of material, BOM, is a comprehensive list of the raw materials, assemblies, sub-assemblies, parts and components, as well as that quantities of each needed to manufacture a product. In a nutshell, it is the complete list of the items that are required to build a product. So all these trims and accessories are done under the guidance of this BOM, and BOM is already decided by your buyer, with your manufacturer, with your customer. So this is the centralized source of information, BOM. Items are parts shown in a hierarchical way and essential in designing enterprise resource planning, ERP. Essential in designing material requirement planning, MRP. Helps to plan for acquisition orders, reduces the possibility of errors. So BOM is the very integral, very important and significant for the manufacturer and also for the all people involving in manufacturing of garments. This is the examples. BOM of materials. Here you can see all the details. Buyer name, Max Dutch. Main printed polo shirt. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If it is visible to all of you,
Yes, visible.
so just you read the bill of materials, BOM.
Not that much clear.
Yeah.
And BOM just to deals and given all details, minor and major details of all the trims and accessories going to incorporate it in your product. Here you can see in the vertical column all the detail of this cardboard, all the things, cartoon, what would be the cartoons, what would be the mode of the packaging, polybags, every detail of this. So BOM is very essential, integral part for your manufacturing. Some important difference, yarn and thread, zipper and chain. Lining and interlining. Normally हम confused कर जाते हैं कि lining is this and interlining is this. So I would like to just to add some more PPT for just to given a more information, clear information to especially non-textile background peoples. What is yarn and thread? What is zipper and chain? What is lining and interlining? So I will send this PPT to all of you. You just to get the all details. Remaining of this PPT.
Okay.
Here, this is the summarized view of this accessories. Here you find this button. Here you find books. Please switch off the microphone. Here you find the zippers. This is the overall just to some accessories in the production. Please switch off. Please turn off your microphone. So thank you for your patiently hearing, listening my presentation.
Sir, it was very informative presentation.
हाँ?
Tricks and exercises in
Your
very
voice is not clear. बेटा आपका voice clear नहीं है.
Sir,
You
your
like-
presentation
you
was
loudly,
very in-depth.
loudly speak. Huh?
Sir, your presentation was very in-depth and in very detail you have dealt with each and every aspect of trims and accessories. Very good presentation and very informative, sir.
Thank you. What is your name?
Sir, I am Priyanka Kumari from NIFT Bhubaneswar.
Very good, Priyanka. Thank you for your appreciation. But I am not a man of garment. I am a man of textile. Presentation that will given some idea about this all accessories, overall accessories and trims used in the industries in order to make a garments. So any more questions? हाँ आज तक
मैं भी सर अटेंड नहीं कर पा रहा.
कोई नहीं.
सर्टिफिकेट
मैं तो दे रहा हूँ. So have any questions? Just wait for 5 minutes. Any questions? I am just going back again. This is the shoulder pad. Any questions? Any more questions?
Excuse me, sir. Hello.
Hello. हाँ बोलिए.
Sir, what is the difference between label and motif? Sir, both are accessories.
Label and
motif.
Label and motif. Motif is the motif normally not used for the this care labeling. Motif is just used for the design. Motifs. A label is the layer. Layer means attachment attached to the garments for the some instruction, for the some communication. Motif is different. Motive. M-O-T-I. Motive is different and label is different.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
Motive.
Motif.
That is used in the designing of the textile structures. Motif. M-O-T-I-F. Any more questions? So I hope you will be must benefited from my presentation, especially on the area of in the arena of these trims and accessories. So thanks to all for your support and for your patiently listening to my presentation. Thank you. Thanks to all.